guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So today I am rocking a glueless unit, but we turned this glueless unit into a half wig. Yes, a half wig. A half wig. We left a little bit of edges out to make it look more natural. And it's giving, girl. It's giving everything. So I got this unit from I Like Hair. It is a glueless, like I said, like natural yaki straight type texture wig. And I've been seeing the girlies do TikTok videos where they've been making their glueless wigs half wigs. And I'm like, I need to get on that, because the way I look at that, it's like you get more bang for your buck. Because usually I would buy a glueless wig and then buy a half wig separately, because like they just don't do the same thing. They give different effects. But to know that, and usually too, I would probably wear a glueless wig when it's more hot and then rock my half wigs when it gets like cooler, fall, and it lasts a little bit longer. But to know that I could buy one and wear it for both summer and winter, like both seasons, on it. So yeah, I tried it out. It looked pretty good. I wore this wig like literally the whole weekend because mom and dad went out. And it was giving what it was supposed to give. I even styled it up with like little braids in the front and everything. And the texture match, immaculate. That's what I also like. You don't have to like straighten your hair too much to make it blend. Honestly, probably even I'd say like a blow dry and one pass and you're good. And I have kinky hair. Let me like part it down the middle so y'all could really see it. baby. Anyway, let's get into this video. It's gonna be a really like short, quick video, because when I tell you I did not have to do much to this hair at all. Like I tried to put as much as possible in this video to like make it longer, but I'm just like, this is just so simple. But we love that. We love a simple style, and y'all know I'm always gonna come to you guys with something simple and something you can do yourself and affordable. Anyway, let's get into this video. Change of location today because my baby's sleeping in the living room. It's now his territory, so yeah, we're filming in the bathroom. What we're gonna be using is from I Like Hair. This wig already this past weekend, so this is not like my first time putting it on. So it's like a little prepped, kind of, not really, because I feel like once you take it off, everything just messes up again. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it for you guys on here, and I might add some curls to it too, I'm not sure yet. This is the braid pattern. Let me take this down. So I just braided the front, braided this part all the way back. Yeah, then I left the front of my hair out for where I'm gonna like leave the edges out. You can do even less than I did. But yeah, this is just how much I did, and I wasn't gonna change it, but you can do even less than that. This is it. So it's a yaki straight. It is like, I'd say a color two, just like a natural blackish brown, not too black. But it has lace all right here, the two little clips in the front, and then this band and this adjustment string in the back. I don't even have any hair out, but it looks like so natural already. I'll show you guys the front so you can see it's not glued down or anything. These little pins that were provided, and just kind of pin this part away so I can straighten the leave out. Like I said, I wore this wig this past weekend, so like my leave out and stuff is already pretty straight. I just had it in these little plots, so I just want to go ahead and like kind of blend it better with the rest of the hair. Okay, so I have the front flat iron. I'm gonna take this part out now and start kind of like blending it all together. Combing, adjusting the wig, and like readjusting my part. Stick, and then just apply a little bit of it to the top and press it down. Just helps everything remain a little bit flatter. Sometimes I'll use a flat iron too and like kind of connect it together, but because the hair is kind of yaki straight, I don't want it too flat, but I just want everything to blend in together without getting frizzy. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, but y'all saw that in the beginning anyway, but yeah, it's really giving what it's supposed to give. I wanted to kind of just switch the lighting up from the bathroom lighting to go into better lighting so you guys could see. So how does it be like tuck it behind your ear? Just giving a little like, I don't know, cute girl vibes, like it's like a cute girl vibe. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show your girl some love, and I will see you guys next video. Love you guys and thank you for always supporting my videos. And like, let me know, y'all really let me know in the comments if you tried these styles. Like if you posted a video on something, my ad is the same on everything, it's Melisza Mcfierce, but if you posted a video of it on like YouTube or TikTok or whatever, if you tried one of my styles, like please tag me. Like I want to see. I get so hyped when you guys comment and you're like, yo, I love this, I got it, it worked for me. I'm just like, yes, because I love putting the girlies on. I love putting the girlies on. So please tag me in those videos.